Welcome back. As we told you earlier, President Biden has COVID. He tested positive this morning. The 79-year-old president has mild symptoms. He continues to work from the White House, where he is currently isolating.
CBS 3 health reporter Stephanie Stahl is following the president's progress.
That's right, guys. Well, the president is expected to be fine. He is being treated with the antiviral Paxlovid, and he is fully vaccinated. The question now is all of the people he was with yesterday. People are often contagious right before they develop symptoms.
I'm doing well. I'm getting a lot of work done. I'm going to continue to get it done.
The president on Twitter hours after testing positive for COVID, with the White House also releasing a photo of him working in the Oval Office. The president's doctor says he has mild symptoms, a runny nose, fatigue, and occasional dry cough.
Because the president is fully vaccinated, double boosted, his risk of serious illness is dramatically lower. He's also getting treated with a very powerful antiviral, and that further reduces his risk of serious illness.
The 79-year-old president is now being treated with Paxlovid. Wednesday, he was traveling in Massachusetts.
We need to act.
And before that, a 4-day trip overseas. The White House said the president had a negative COVID test on Tuesday. Today, Jill Biden, traveling in Detroit, spoke with the president after his positive test.
He's doing fine. He's feeling good. I tested negative this morning. I am going to keep my schedule. I am, according to CDC guidelines, I am keeping masks.
The president is among a growing number of Americans infected with COVID. The CDC says we're averaging more than 120,000 cases a day. But since many people are testing at home, the actual number is likely to be much higher.
In the meantime, thanks for your concern and keep the faith. It's going to be okay.
Now, the White House is following CDC guidelines, doing contact tracing for the people who were with the president yesterday. He was scheduled to be here in Philadelphia today. That obviously had to be canceled. The president says he will be isolating until he gets a negative test.
Wow, keep us updated on that, Stephanie.
We will.
Thank you so much.